to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're new to my channel, and today I am doing a collab, a nighttime cleaning collab with Valerie from Valerie's World. She is a mom of two girls, and she has on her channel she posts videos on cleaning motivation, hauls, all sorts of wide variety of videos. So make sure you check her out after you're done watching my video. So this what I'm doing in this video is I want to show you what I do just before I go to bed. It is now about 9:45. My husband has just left to pick up my son from his practice, so I usually take the time to just tidy up the mess that we made between dinner time and now. And it's sometimes there is a lot of stuff, sometimes there isn't, depending on how much food my children have consumed after dinner. So I also do a quick wipe down of the bathroom, empty the dishwasher, and just tidy up the main floor. So come along. Everything is tidied, and it just feels good to go to bed and then wake up to a clean kitchen and a tidied house. I know that my kitchen will most likely not look like this when I wake up because my son still hasn't come back, so I'm sure he'll have some snacks and leave stuff out, but it is the best that it's going to be at this time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you are brand new, first time visiting my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. Press the subscribe button and a notification button. I post all sorts of videos on lifestyle, DIYs, furniture upcycling, cleaning, cooking, and a bit of travel, so I'm sure there's something for everyone. So and make sure when you're done watching my video, you check out Valerie from Valerie's World. I will have her channel linked down below. So until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.